Let me tell you about a packaging manufacturer I talked to last week. 3 years ago, 4.5 million in sales. Last year, 3.5. This year, he'll be lucky to hit 3 million. To see the trend? One of his longtime clients just shopped his entire business around, and this manufacturer, a thermoformer, was forced to run the job at cost just to keep it. So when I told him I could show him exactly what was wrong and how to fix it for $1,500 in 2 hours of his time, he said, "We'll think about it." If you're a packaging manufacturer and your sales are down, you need to hear what I'm about to tell you. I'm David Marinak, and I've been in the packaging industry for 35 years. I've seen manufacturers rise, and I've seen them fall. And right now, I'm watching something happen that 99% of packaging manufacturers have no idea is occurring. The ones who figure this out in the next 90 days are going to dominate their markets for the next 5 to 10 years. The ones who don't, they're going to be that thermoformer running jobs at cost just to survive. So let's talk about what happened and what changed and why you and your company are invisible. Now, here's the seismic shift. Here's what you don't know. 90% of all search right now is happening through AI-powered tools, not SEO in Google. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini. Your buyers aren't typing flexible packaging manufacturers or some other bullshit vanilla information. They're asking AI, what's the best packaging company for extended shelf life solutions for meat and cheese? And you know what AI is telling them? Not you and not your company, because your website says the same generic garbage every other packaging manufacturer says. Here's what your website says. Tell me if I'm wrong. We provide quality packaging. Customer service is our priority. We're ISO certified. Contact us for your quote. That's not content, that's wallpaper. And AI search does not reward wallpaper. It rewards depth, detail, specificity. Here's an independent company called AI Trust Signals that you can score your website yourself for AI visibility, or we'll do it for you. Most packaging manufacturers right now are scoring less than 49% or lower. That's an F. That means they're invisible to 90% of buyers searching for what you sell. Now, here's the opportunity. Here's what gets me fired up. Right now, there's a window of opportunity that will not last. The big packaging companies, the flexible packaging giants, the Amcor, the folding carton corporations, whatever, they're asleep at the wheel. Their marketing departments don't understand AI search. Their IT teams are still optimizing for 2019 Google algorithms. Their sales reps are order takers who've been coasting for 20 years. They have no idea what's here and what is company. But a small company in Pennsylvania, a medium-sized thermoformer in Ohio, a specialized packaging manufacturer in North Carolina, you can leapfrog these giants in 90 days or less. You can own your niche. You can become the only name AI mentions when buyers search for what you do. But you have to have the balls to act. Yes, you heard me correctly. It's going to take balls. So here's what we do. 3 steps. Number 1, we stop the bleeding with an interview. It's a 90 to 120 minute deep dive interview, not some surface level bullshit questionnaire. A real conversation where we dig into what you, packaging manufacturer, does better than anyone else. Your specialized capabilities that you've been hiding for years, and you have been. The problems you solve that your competitors cannot. Then we deliver a complete business and competitive analysis. You get to see your AI trust signals, your competitors' scores and their weaknesses, the exact blueprint you need to change and how to dominate your competition. Where the hidden money is right now. We're talking $50,000 to $200,000 in opportunities that you're probably walking right past. This happens within 30 days. Cost? Less than half a month's salary for one mediocre sales rep. Step 2 is the platform. We have a specialized packaging marketplace website. It's an AI-rich, content-heavy platform that's already ranking for AI search. We take everything from step one and create the exact content that AI rewards. Detailed packaging specifications, problem-solving case studies, educational guides, video demonstrations, question and answer content. And we host it on our platform. You can do it on yours, but we host it on our platform, which gives you instant authority and visibility. And step three is our sales machine. We train an AI agent specifically for your packaging business. This agent works 24/7 to find companies that match your ideal customer profile, not some bullshit. We educate decision makers about packaging solutions. We create qualified matches. These are matches, B2B matches, that create sales opportunities. No bullshit RFQs or mindless quotes. Cost less than half a salary, a monthly salary, for a sales rep. The results? Qualified opportunities with buyers who actually want what you sell and will pay for it. Now here's the challenge. You know what I have zero patience for? Complaining. I'm sick and tired of hearing packaging manufacturers, like the thermoformer I mentioned, about sales are down. Customers only care about price. Our sales reps aren't bringing in business. You know what all that is? Those are excuses. That thermoformer again that I told you about, the one bleeding from 4.5 to less than 3 million in 2025, he chose to run that job at cost. He chose not to invest $1,500 to find out what's wrong. He chose to hand his kids a sinking ship of a thriving company that once was a thriving company. Those are choices. Right now, your competitors are ignoring AI search. They're keeping their generic websites because they know no better. They keep relying on lazy, untrained sales reps, waiting for things to get better. That is your opening. Now, we have a 6-month head start available right now. You do, but only if you act. Here's what I want you to do. First, check the description below. I've linked a full article where I break down all of this information. Second, if you want to see your company's AI Trust Signal score and get the complete competitive analysis, I'm offering a 15-minute qualifier call. It's an assessment call for free. On that call, I'll determine if you're a fit for this process. You'll see if this makes sense for your packaging business. If we're aligned, we'll schedule your full assessment call. The link, again, is in the description, but I only work with packaging manufacturers who are ready to act. If you're still running jobs at cost, hoping that magically things improve, this is not for you. If you're ready to fight back and dominate your market, and you can, let's talk. In 12 months, you're going to look back at this moment as a pivotal time. You're either going to say, that's when everything changed, or that's when I should have acted. Your competitors are making their choice right now. What's your choice? I hope you like this video. If you do, please like it, please share, please subscribe as well, and I'll see you on the next video.